mwiroreri geithika muno no muthi video itu twamiambiria guku ngari-ini tondu ngwiraga Devi ugire gutururia thi ngima twi mwena wa Kangundo Road ni gukwa gitutariria kuria turi wega atiriri ndetagwo murwaia kana
na uri ukajita ni ndaho no mathina makwa ni mathira
na kai ni wibangaga mundu
we foodi keguye yugaga andu makiuga ati arari ata foodi ri matiko makiuga undu ungi aikwangi jamba ni muriri uria tukoragwo naguo nona sasa uko gwitagwo Airways wanyita gukuhiriirie kundu gwitagwo Katani na guku mbere no wandirikana kuria turari yes gwa Kevin yes ndaigua ni uri good memory
taki
riu nuona project tayo ya Kevin twakaga na hau riu guku turaka tayo
okay
uko na turaka duplexes ithatu no it's a controlled estate ka project turabiririe last week ka one of our very good clients who Korea America yes kundu gwitagwo Washington DC riu ndwagikinya
ati murabiririe ni mwaka wa how long
2 weeks actually
2 weeks
yes ona ne bura structure twakaga buga
kai eti godona cameraman itamurika mweno uyu mwiroreri ne wira wakiria wa 2 weeks wa ati guku auga muraka duplex
guku turaka duplex
tugicuhuke uraiga haha kana uramiethera handu
we aba ume guku kwina ndoro
kagendore kwanza ona ndukiwijikirite iriku nikio
ati gwiraga ugiuka site ugokaga na iratu cia site ujire okoro njuri ujire gwariririe kuri aratakwa magusaririe
ure jori maragubangire we ngora haha kindiroragire
we thiaga na mbere na kumaka
okay so mwiroreri reke tweterere Devi okia tutaririe haha niho tugukorwo umuthi twakwira twi mwena wa Kangundo Road koguo ungikwa wina broti yaku na nduri urambiriria gwaka mwena uyu wa Kangundo Road tumekita kambi nitwambite hema citu riu guku mwena uyu wa Kangundo Road ukautwaririe namba citu ni cirahitukira maguru-ini ma screen yaku na nitugukorwo tukiambiriria mwako waku reke nyambe ndiurore tondu cio niguo koragwo ari mutugo wakwa tondu we mwiroreri uri kuraya nie ni maitho maku ndiri hakuhi
we nike kai ugithira wa maka
we no regwiraga ngo muthenya uratuire ni Shanghai
nikio gwiraga atiriri wangu tutiendagia story cia jamba nikio nyenda gutwara o handu ngakwira amba wirorere nyumba amba uthie tuwa ndui no ukore ringi ona team jengo maraka guku ni site turakomborire
muthenya ucio ndukanakie mawira maria wina muri ugukinya ukombora atia
anyway karibu guku gwitagwo Airways gaka ni ka project turambiriirie haha na tika project ino ni project nene ni a duplexes we are doing 3 units ground first second yes sure they need 3 bedroom
or unit
yes okay riu guku kwina nyumba ithatu independent nwanyita nuonaga nyumba ta ile twakaga kuria tora kana ta ile twakaga na guku Katani kuria kwa Korea kwa Kevin anita we are doing the same concept here no because this is a controlled estate no you cannot go beyond 2 floors no na ndungigia kanyumba ihana ta series ya gukomboria indo gagithukie value ya estate so no nginyo ikoragwo na mind mundu ndaroka guikara guku but how can this property generate good income woka mjengo flex ri ndukaga tu gwaka nyumba you know I usually tell you we are not businessmen we are builders
wealth
builders mwanita story adu ogi mahotaga gwiciria outside the box
thank you really
na tutiuga goguo tondu ati ni kwithunura kana ki asa it is because we have seen the things that we have done and the results they have brought mwanita yes
okay
karibu sana Airways ndona ni uragia mutwe
mwega
ndona ni
muthuri uyu
ndona ni uragia no thino uri ari gutiganite gukorwo naguo ni umwetu helmet ti yakunyita bwe
ne yuma na ukuria thine Devi
weciria kiria bagiki yaku nikio helmet nguraga timu ciothe uri kuona nyumba ya kira more than 5 courses ugekira helmet nwanyita yes
nitanyita ndamike ndomiruta tondu riu no ande haha
thina waku riri no riu ni nguona gogithiururuka kuria thijuma
Kaya madadi mariko
uresi tunyite helmet igwe ni ku protect nida appreciate tondu ni uraririkana helmet ni necessary no riu next time ukamekira hari yagirire
asanteni sana
yes njira
ndirenda atiriri kwina Kenya ingi na ndenda twambiririe hau uguo kwi mundu reka ithaburia ni ndikuhota gwaka tha ici ni ndireciria gwaka no ngaka in 2 years to come no ni ndambiriria gusave na gukire mundu urahingurire account kana urabanga kuhingura account aka deposit
akambiriria
magana meri o mweri mundu ucio tugumwika atia tondu ucio ni client witu ni nguga atiriri Wambui mundu wothe wiroragira channel ya Wambui wa Mwangi we are now 3 years old ndungihenia andu miaka 3 niguo
ona haya number 2 ri kuringana kuria tuthiaga ri tuonanagia nyumba tugiaka tukiambiriria tuthiete na mbere riu tigani haria project iru cikiri nyingi thaici uroka project ingi ciambatite tena uguo ndokire kiambiriria but the videos are there when we were starting project ino ni ya customer we kuria Washington atagwo Ann wanita na Ann ri ni mwiroreri wa channel ya Wambui wa Mwangi hau niho only Devi Mena Wambui for some time akirora akiona kindu gitagwo consistency agicoka agithikiriria akiigua atiriri andu aya ari they don't need me to have the whole amount of money nigetha thie gake niki Mjengo Flex ri wa mbere ndamugeithia muno eroreri a channel wa Wambui wa Mwangi na nuona uria ndi muthaka umuthi njikirite merchandise ya Mjengo Flex Limited onoyo auma nayo ni kuruta aruta auga ni kwage urugari no mutikamake ni njui
unaka fiti
Wambui ni ndiraigua kiuga ni urenda kwambiriria kuhe eroreri aku merchandise yes koguo ni gutumwo na DHL okuria guothe ori comment David Paco na Regina acio kwanza ni customer aku eri ahinya na no nginya tucokerie muthuri murata wakwa gikiriu nginya ndi hakuye kwambiria gukoma nakio nikirarehe nginya thina mucii gwakwa tondu nikiratu ndira appreciate muno iki ndahairwo ni mwiroreri wa channel ya Wambui wa Mwangi
imagine client wito bado
yes tumwakagira kuria Karen nwanyita na nditura
alikana tuko turia resite
gutura
ina ndarania muririkane tuthia tu na Devi
kuringana na uria mundu eyaragia
okay sawa
riu agiko ndu ikwiaria ri
hi John and your wife
you are that is your problem me I know how to talk for myself nwanyita
nduri murata mo anyway
ndagurirwo cai ni ngugayagira no ti kwenda ni thoni
Devi ni akinyagia by the way he is a truthful man
anyway tuma hariri hakugeithia mwiroreri wa channel yothe ya Wambui wa Mwangi haria hothe mwiroreri ari andu aria mari Australia mundu wothe uri UK mundu wothe uri Germany mundu wothe uri Saudi Arabia mundu wothe uri Qatar mundu wothe uri China Japan mundu wothe uri US UK Canada South America actually there's a lady who called me from South America yes arajirire athutaga wira na UN Habitat anajira ngugeithia muno ekure bururi wa Chile
ni ndageithika
yes andu aria mari Kenya I give you eroreri ya channel ya Wambui wa Mwangi karibuni sana Mjengo Flex Limited na tukwaragia horo wa financing tukuga atiriri we realized the in construction especially the ultimate goal ya 90% of Kenyans ikoragwo iri gwaka muci be it a place to live be it an investment the ultimate goal kana ni mwalimu kana ni kana ni whoever ultimate goal ya everybody in this country ikoragwo iri kugia muci
mekwira ni kuhikania
ti kuhikania
gwaka
mucii tondu ndu nimamenyire atiriri mucii ni uheaga mundu kindu gitagwo peace of mind na nikio wiguaga atiriri nyumba no tongari cigayagwo kuma kuri aciari cigayagwo kuma kuri aciari kuici no nie hunjagia we wariganirwo ni maundu maya kawagwire mundu na ndukenjiraga anyway nwanyita koguo ri real estate real estate, especially in a growing economy like Kenya, it should be everybody's goal. Nona?
Yeah.
Real estate no yohotaka ku withstand shocks share economic recession. Reason, it can wait. It can be stagnant, it can be dormant, but it will wait. Nwanita?
Yeah.
Garora gona atiriri. Tariu ri hari report ndiraigure ya heanwo ni muthuri wetagwo Mbadi. Ndiroragĩra maũndũ macio because it affects us a lot.
Sana, yeah.
Arauga atiriri. Kenya's economy has no leg room. Nwanita? Leg room ni kuga atiriri. Matingĩhota kwĩgarũra. For now, it is tight. Nona? So there will be no development in the next 3 or 4 years. Nwanita?
Yeah.
And you know,
Ogo ni kuga atia riu.
Having no development ni kuga atiriri. The government of Kenya will look inwards to raise money, not outwards.
Okay.
Tondu mbeca matirona kuma na nja. So they will look inwards. So makirora inwards ni kuga atiriri. For you to access financing, it will be very difficult. And the rates will be very high.
Yeah.
Nwanita, riu nikio turuga atiriri. Where we mundu ugurite kamugunda ri, be it anywhere in this country. Na ni urenda gwaka nyumba ri, na ringi wi kundu urona mbeca ri. Na urageria gucaria financing ukaga ni undu wa bengi gutinda igitia ma documentation maingi ri. Toka guku.
Jengo Flexi Limited.
Jengo Flexi Limited. We solve your problems in this way. Tugwetagia 30% wa boy. This is our most common product. No only product igi almost 6.
Yeah.
The most common product in it tugwetagia 30%. Then we finance your project at 70%. Na ohori, if your income allows you to clear this balance within 24 months, tutitagia interest.
So ni interest free.
It is interest free within 24 months. Nona, agiko income yaku igukwalao urihe within 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, tuitagia 13% interest on reducing balance.
Yeah.
So, iria wari ha 30% tutikoragwo tugitarira interest. Tutaragira balance.
Yeah.
Kuguo no ungihota kuriha 50% interest iku iguka hari balance.
Balance, yeah.
You get? Yes.
Dina kiuria, yeah. Dina kiuria kimwe. Haha mauga mara finance 70%, mundu aigirira 30%. Hena limit tari mundu agiuga ndirenda gwaka nyumba ya 100 million.
Atikona limit. Hatina limit tondu riri tutioraga nyumba na size, turoraga nyumba na unit.
Okay.
Nwanita? So ori ogiaka nyumba ya milioni imwe bangalo na kanyumba ka bedroom imwe na 30% no rihe balance na whatever time. It's the same thing ogwaka nyumba ya 200 million urihe 30% urihe balance within that period. Tutiraga nyumba like ati uri nene kana uri nini. It's a unit. A unit, yes.
Ni ngoretwo gukunja ihinda iraya kuma riria ndaciarirwo na ndirona andu angi maraheana nyamu teo ya 24 months na ni interest free. Niki kiratuma mwike uguo? Niki kiramutwariririe hau? Ni mathabu marigo maya mwikite? Mathabu
maya twikite. Mathabu maitu ri na ni ndiragira iroreri hahari. We don't just wake up one day and say hapana. Apana. Ungirora ona ria twambagiriria uguo tene ri. We have some serious financial institutions behind us. Ona? Na kunu kwa turutaga data.
Yeah.
Nwanita? That is where we get our data from. Nona? Tondu riu ni uguthie kundu ta ukona ringi andu aria matuheaga mbeca cia gwaka because we get money from the banks actually.
Yeah.
So they will tell you you will have some conferences here and there on andu angine mahuragira thimu ngamera no I mean a bank meeting.
Yeah.
Those are the conversations tukoragwo tukihave because now the bank is telling you kulingana na protocol cia bengi we have these people but they are unbankable. Nwanita? Nwanita? But this person is okay. Nona?
Yeah.
Kulingana na mithondekere yake ya mbeca mundu we sawa no ahote ku afford gwika ati gwaka but they are unbankable.
Okay.
Itondu kuri hari threshold bengi rabatara gukorwo ukinyitie. Nona? And again ugakorwo ukara ringi interest rate cia bengi cirarangera from 17 to 20. Nona?
Yeah.
So when that person considers their construction akona ni iragea goro na bengi ni limit. Nona?
Yeah.
Ndigukuhe okorwo ni mortgage bengi kuheaga a limited term.
Takuma 5 years with you.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because for them they have to make money. You know, I mean, it's a big institution. So for us, we are the contractors. Yeah. We are not a business entity. We are the contractors. Nini ndio kaguthima site ino. Muthunya twasmanlia na ani haha ni ndari haha. So you get we are the contractors. So for us, our cost of production today is way lower.
Oh, okay.
You get? So with that kind of support and masio magiru ni mathafu. Those are matrices ndikwenda kumagweta haha mutiga andu ni mendete gukofia muno. Wota riu kuigua everybody ni arauga uguo no reke ndimwire. Don't make a mistake. Yes, we are not here for that long by default. It is because we know what we are doing. So nguga kati aboi agiko wi mundu wina brought anywhere in this country. Anywhere. Na ni urikitie kuri ha brought yaku ri. Next urenda gwikate na brought iyo.
Na kuriha ni urarihire.
Na ni urahotire kuriha. Beti kuga next ukwambiriria gwaka. Ndogi ukiona process iyo urarihaga nayo mugunda uke uge atiriri kuria mjengo. Ni ndokai ndenda munjiri atiriri. Mugunda ndirarihaga 300,000. Ndigiuka na 300,000 no muhote kujakira nyumba ya 4 bedroom ya milioni 9. Tutigigucokithia. Tugukwira karibu sana. Tukuhe mai tutituragura dispenser ya kahwa. Tukwire tarehe nyumba yo renda tugwa.
Utakiguraga thiri ciothe.
Twatakire ni ndie ndakuhenania. Drone stats ingi cirangenia muno. Uratuika atiriri. Third world countries ri. Nituhenanagia muno. Niguo. Yes. There is even a video I saw. Somebody was doing a research at a lady in Finland. Or how many times have you lied in a week? Akiuga none. Yes.
Ona hidio dakihena.
Akiuga how many times have you lied in your lifetime? I think it was 28 years. Akiuga 3 times. Nwanita? Haya, akiulio kadege ali mu Nigeria. Akiulio how many times have you lied today? Akiuga 10.
Nikia tumire magithii kwa wa brothers.
Kade ginya mundu amekaga interview ni abite kamuhenia. Tode abite call you how old are you? Ekaga 32. Kishoka kirwerute identification kade ali 36 years old. Unaona?
Kogo already ni ahena.
Already ni ahena ni tia au na no na maheni ginya necessary. Riu alole third world countries ri ni mahena nagia muno na gucia ni undu wa thina. Na nikio turauga atiriri. Nigetha tweheria andu maheni-ini ri. We build wealth. Andu matoge tumehererie thina. Wetu wabwe takiri andu aya marehe mawira ni ndarikia show. Abeti
guthi David. Abe ometagie hena message direnda uthome haha. Onoko some point no igwa ni ndaigwa no wacokia. Hena message ci haha. Merage.
Riu kireke tugieterere message tondu riri. Mukurugenzi uyu murata wako wari. Auga njikario haha na hari
kindu gwetagie mawira.
Hari kindu gwenda guthie kurora ha. Gwenda kuya drawing ya handu haha. Ninyendaga kurora riri kana ndirisha ciri haria ciagiriire tondu ni nie njoraga nyumba. Koguo mwiroreri wa channel ya Mbi wa Mwangi nyumba iria ciothe ironaga ire guku thaka muno ri. Mani ucio korwo wira wakwa. Ndui kage man riu ndigukiona ka Dezuba ite kamera-ini ta mundu tamenya neti areka.
Reke ngwethere urairaga kaitiga thiku kamera ngiga. Ndivyo ngeitisha job kwanza ndirenda gukuonia riri.
Wira ni njititi. Gutire mundu urerorera channel ya Mbi wa Mwangi haha utanyonaga haha uguo ndaiheire haha ngitia mawira every day na nikio urona ni maraigua na Ngai amarathima.
Divinity kana ngihota kumitrace.
Nikio ra trace.
Mutumia ungi witagwo Ann. Ndakoragwo guku akoragwo nja wa bururi. Hena message arandikite haha akinjuria kiuria. Zani ndio hii. Kuja hapa. Soma hii na hii. Hizo si house yeri.
Do you know their interest rate? Ann. Riwe Ann dauga turihagia interest after 24 months. As in, if your contracts run beyond 24 months, how interest you kagera. Yes. Na you kagera from the onset to the contract. Okay. Payment plan yaku nira exceed 24 months, you automatically qualify for interest. Okay. Na interest rate to 13%. When you torosho on reducing balance. Then suppose I'm not done within 24 months. No, really nigo drauga twambagiriria at the onset ya contract. Yeah. Yes. Nikio tugaga client no disclose ga atiriri I can comfortably afford waka kuriha nake na 24 months kana beyond kurigana na besha iria mundu eyonagira nona. So we calculate from your income. Yes.
Haya ihaha ukienda
tutiendaga mundu ehinyiririe. Haya, do you think we are better than Equity? Automatically, yes, we are better than Equity. Equity matiakaga nyumba ni mbeca makuheaga na mageterero macokeria na interest. Ona matiendaga kumenya ni kioraka kana ni kioroka niki. Ithuĩ ni ithuĩ tucoraga nyumba, ni ithuĩ tuthimaga site, nikio twitagia ngiri 20 cia site analysis na registration. We are better than Equity.
Okay, ire hinga na ihenya ni nju umikaga uguo.
We director of photography ni gutiga mitugo yo. Yes. Property, I'm in the process of buying property and they are supposed to finance the construction too. If Mjengo are better than Equity. So, this is what happens. Omenye agiko Equity niyo marako finance re. It is okay. We will just come in as contractors. Kiria twikaga na ithuĩ we do a good job as contractors. So, if the bank has agreed to finance you, it is okay.
Etagwo an.
Wanyita. An agiko faigi ni etikirete guku finance re. Ni kuga wewe mundu bankable. Nona do mojua kali. So, it is okay. You'll come to Mjengo as contractors. Yes. Okay. And we will deliver your project within the Yes, we have those products also. Cooperative Bank, they give their mortgage client to us. Housing finance, they do the same. Yes.
Sawa, thank you. Ni aigua horo ucio. Reke njitie
mami. Njokie thimu.
Mwiroreri ngwiciria no wathoma maundu matiganite aria maroretie ciuria ni twakorwo tugicokia na njira igwete na ndukae kuhitukwo ni kamweke gaka, especially andu aria mari mwena uyu wa Kangundo Road. Riu ni twambite hema citu guku na uyu niguo mwako wa mbere mwena uyu turi, koguo ngikwa wina broti yaku hau ndukae kuhitukwo ni mweke uyu. Twi haha nigetha tugwakire maundu macio mothe ndivia korwo akiaririria haha, uguo niguo tukoretwo tugika na no wega hau uguo video ini yaku ikirikirira tugugwikirira na tugugutiga na imwe cia mbica cia nyumba iria tukoretwo tugiaka na tuka handover kuri ene nigetha hindi ria yothe twakwira ati uria tugaga tukoragwo tuhana ta kambuni ya Mjengo Flex Limited nima uguo niguo kuri. Namba ici hitukira maguru-ini ma screen yaku ni citu no utuhurire kana utucerere hari office-ini citu mwena wa Mountain Mall nigetha utuhe tukuhe uhoro makiria na tugucokerie ciuria ciothe ungikorwo wina cio ciegemaine na mwako. Ndakwendithiria mahinda mega ugiuka gwakirwo ni ithuĩ kambuni ya Mjengo Flex Limited. Nie njĩtagwo Jane wa Boy wa Mwangi. Nĩ ngatho.